Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. As you know, we are in the process of fight for justice for teachers, justice for parents who are paying the fees, but teachers are not getting their salary and parents don't know what is happening to the fees. Now, all over Maharashtra Association parents had joined us on 6th February in the meeting with Varsha Gaikwad ma'am to demand justice for teachers. Friends, I would like to bring to your notice that time to time we will be uploading and telling you how to move on with this fight. Today, I'm going to explain to you that most of the schools have formed a trust. They have formed a trust to register into the Charity Commissioner office in spite of filing the income tax is very important. Now, most of the schools, I think more than 80-90% of the schools I've seen there are registered under the trust where they want to take over all their benefits forming a trust, but they don't want to share their accounts. I'll tell you how to go about with it. In your fight, the first thing that you have to do is, now I'd like to tell you that Joint Commissioner Mrs. Pawar had told us that this format which the Charity Commission Office will give you, you don't have to fill that because you are a third party. So directly you have to form a fill an RTI for finding out the details of the school. Now when you file the RTI, you have to keep few things in mind. First is the Schedule 1. Schedule 1 is a very big folder which is maybe in the torn and tatter state. लेकिन अगर वो नहीं दे पाएंगे आपको तो आप उनको बोलना लिख के दो. Write and give that you don't have this copy and you're not giving me this copy. Without that, don't go. After that, you have to find out about the trust deed and the memorandum. Friends, you may not know the trust deed ka number. You have to go to the second floor and the superintendent, judicial superintendent is there. There she on the right hand side. Person sitting on the computer, if you give the name of the trust, they will give you the trust number and the change report. Now the change report is from time to time, which are the other members incorporated. That list you will get over there. After the change report order, you may get it from a different desk or the same person gives it to you. Iske baad, you have to come to the account department. Account department is on the first floor. One RTI only you have to do, but these are the sections who will give you these papers. And all the collection will be done of your documents on the ground floor where you will give the dispatch in the RTI format. Now, accounts department also is very important. They may play dilly-dally. Friends, you won't believe it. I have been pursuing this from last 1 year. And in my last 3 turns, I managed to get everything that I wanted from the office in 3 turns. But 3 turns, 10 to 5 I was there. Make sure that you get it. Whatever documents they are not giving you, if the schools or trust has not filed their audit in the Charity Commissioner, you take letter in reply from them. Don't accept a verbal answer. After they give you the documents, they will tell you to sign the paper or your application paper behind. And right there, this is not provided to me. And this is what I received today. That's it. Or you write just what is received. After that, meet the Joint Commissioner, which is on the second floor, and the Commissioner on the second floor. If you are being harassed by any reason by the Charity Commissioner office. Believe me, there were 2-3 people with me. Each time there were 1 or 2 people with me. I had a hard time and I could imagine when these people were going to do my work, what difficulties they were facing through. Per copy cost you 4 rupees. Don't matter in the fight for justice. What matters is your facts and figures. When you have your facts and figures, you can sustain this fight for a long. And bring the facts before the education department. Write to the income tax department, write to the education enforcement directorate. Also to know what, where, how the money has been spent. Because here I have got a report where they have conveniently told me that the Schedule 1 is torn. The Schedule 1 paper is the one paper where the time of when you form the trust inception, that entry is done by the registrar. If it is torn 2009-10, I had brought an order from the State Information Commission for the building factory and building proposal, the ones which is getting uploaded now. All the documents are getting uploaded. Friends, that order was brought by me for my RTI when they could not find the file of my building. And I was telling them, if Kasab can find the plan for Taj Hotel, you have to give me my building file also. That is how I got it. So don't give up. It is not easy. Yes, when you're filing RTI, very important thing I want to tell you. If you're in an emergency, you write why you need it. File it under section 7(1), where you get a reply in 24 and 48 hours. After that, go to the first appeal, where the assistant registrar on the second floor is your appellate authority. In your application, write that you are filing under section 8IJ. 8IJ means whatever document can be given in the Parliament House is not to be concealed by any government authority. So there are small loopholes where they will harass you, which they harassed a lot, but I was not ready to give up, and I have brought all my documents of various 2-3 schools which I am fighting, and inshallah I will be putting it in front of the department, front of income tax, front of charity commission, everybody. Okay, how they don't file and how do you register them, how do you give them the affiliation, and how you don't question them why the teachers are not paid. So join us, pray for us, that because this is a very big fight. They have started to harass me, they have started to put notices against me, but I give a damn and I'm least bothered. A day will come when I will expose these schools in open, telling them, bringing everything on the table, telling what they have done. So filing notices, filing cases doesn't work with me. I don't care about it. I am an activist. I'm a teacher, first of all, by profession. If I can't stand for my faculty and in the right fight for justice, I have no business to train children to talk about justice, truth, honesty, democracy, and constitution. They are blatantly violating the constitution. They're blatantly, and they're just trying to suppress you using the police, the education department, who is lingering. But from various sources, you start cornering and getting your facts. Thank you, friends. Dua ki darkhast. Allah Hafiz.